Deleting your Patreon account? Hang on. Let's explore how to reverse that decision easily. First, make sure you log into your account. Head to the Settings section to get started. Next, find Account Management. This is where you can manage your account settings. Look for the deletion confirmation notice. There should be an option to cancel the deletion. Click Cancel Deletion and confirm your choice. You'll receive a notification confirming your account status. And just like that, your Patreon account is safe. Now, you can continue sharing your creativity. Remember, your account holds your creative legacy. Protect it wisely. Keep exploring Patreon features to maximize your engagement and support. Share this guide with fellow creators who might need it. Let's support each other. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tips on handling your account and leveraging Patreon. Remember, your creativity is important, don't let it fade away. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.